TSM stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick short 1-minute video. Here's the key part. All I'm doing is just sticking to my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos, especially with TSM. This is solid bullish market for me. I'll just do this. And I'll tell you that since it's correcting down, so did most of the tickers yesterday. All I'm looking to do is buy if there is a double break confirmation as such, right? And if that does not happen, then I'm not moving forward. Easy, right? This waiting thing that I had here, I'll still keep because that's exactly what I'm doing, waiting for more rules. And anything else, well, yeah, I'm not going to be adding anything else here. That's TSM. And if you want to stay tuned to want to get free money making emails and insights, and just click the first link in the description, and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.